Hello everyone. Hi, this is Lolly, and I just recently had a little bit of a retreat up into the mountains and with a friend of mine, and while we were there we brought some craft supplies, and we were making traveler's notebook journal covers. Well, we made one each, so we didn't want to ignore the guys too much, so we had to break away from crafting. So this size is the standard size, also known as wide, large, or cahier, and so the inserts are 5 inches by 8 1/4. So this is, well, let me explain first. I was making fabric ones, I was making laminated paper ones, and one of my followers named Janice told me that she likes to paint on craft text. If you're not familiar with craft text, it is a really thick paper that you can wash, you can sew on, you can iron, and it's just very sturdy. And so she said she likes to paint on it and then varnish it with a craft varnish. So this is the one that I made. I'm going to open it all the way so that you can see the cover. That's it right there. So I wanted to go for whimsical. This is what I came up with. So you can see on the cover here, it's got that flower, the word inspiration, and then this is the back. I wanted to put my little birdies that I designed, and just random words throughout. I really like it. I like the way it feels. I've got 3 coats of varnish on it. So on the inside, oh, by the way, this craft text was the craft color, so it's dark brown, so I really wanted to lighten up the inside, and I just took some of the yellow, teal, and blue that I had used here, and white, and I just did some stenciling and some background there, and I also varnished this. And I put 3 inserts in here. 1, 2, 3, and there's still another elastic for a 4th insert there. So let me know what you think in the comments. Is this something you're interested in a tutorial on? Is this something you would like to see stocked in my shop? I'm still in the planning stages. Obviously, this takes a lot more work than just doing a fabric one, which is just cut, iron, and you're done. Or even laminating paper, because that is so fast too. So this takes a lot more work, and of course the doing the mixed media work on it on both sides, one side and the inside, and 3 coats of varnish in and out. So it did take a bit of more work and planning. But curious as to thinking to see what your thoughts are. I really like the feel of it, and that's one of the things that she had said too, Janice, is that she really liked the feel of it. So this is the Deco Art. I think American Crafts. Let me think what that is. I will put it in the video description down below, the exact product this is. I know this is the satin version of it, and I'm pretty sure it's Deco Art, and it's called Deco Clear maybe, and it's a craft varnish. And like I said, this is the satin, but I think, if you can see how shiny that is, I'm going to go with the matte next time, I think, because look at that gloss. I think it's a little bit much for me. And also there's one that is so muted of a varnish that you can't even tell it's got a varnish on it at all. It's just a very smooth suede feel to it. So that's my little project share. Curious to see what, your thoughts are on it, and what, how I can better help all of you if you would like to see a tutorial on this. And obviously everyone would look different, because it's all about how we design our mixed media and what colors we like. And this is all hand drawn. You can use rubber stamps on it, but the flower, the leaves, the birds, it's all hand drawn, hand painted by me. So every one of them would look different. Even if I did an identical one to this, it would still not be 100% the same, because it's, like I said, it's hand done. So anyway, I had a blast, and I was really enjoying it as the product was unfolding, as the project was unfolding. I just thought it was so cute, and like I said, I was looking for whimsical, and I think, that's exactly what it looks like to me, and very, very happy. And I just think that the pop of the pink here and the yellow just really kind of bring it out a little bit. I just decided I needed something cute on the back there, and I really like my birdies, so really happy with it, and looking forward to your comments. Thank you for watching.